estate agent or realtor fees. Keep in mind that in Britain and in the US, we have slightly different terminology here. Americans say real estate agent or simply realtor, whilst in the UK they say estate agent. Estate agent fees. This is some good news for once. Typically, only the seller has to pay the estate agent anything. So you don't have to pay an estate agent anything. And as I'm studying for CMAP, I've discovered something I found strange actually. Apparently, in Scotland, in the north of the United Kingdom, some solicitors actually sell properties as well. So people can save on having to pay both solicitors and estate agent fees by using by buying a property off the books of a solicitor. So weird. Yeah, I didn't know about that. So yeah, the world is a weird and wonderful place, and even in the same country, different parts of the country will do different things. That's why the knowledge I'm giving you is giving you a basis of thinking about how things work. But wherever you're going to buy, get the proper local knowledge from an estate agent or a mortgage broker so that you've covered all bases, essentially. So if you're buying, you should not expect to pay any sort of estate agent fees. Whoop whoop!